Howdy all, my name is Jens Steinhauer, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can implement LRU caches in Swift. Caches are probably one of the most important things. They're used in your browsers, they're used in almost every program, and today I'm gonna show you how you can implement them. Okay, perfect. So what is given? They have given us a dictionary cache that stores key value pairs. Furthermore, we have an array that keeps track of the order of keys based on how recently they were used. The oldest is in the front and the newest is at the end. Then we're also given the capacity, and this is the maximum number of items that the cache can hold. And last but not least, what is given is the initializer, and it sets the cache capacity when the LRU cache is created. So what's left for us to do is implement the get and put function. So basically the get function returns the value of the given key if it exists. Otherwise it will return -1. So first of all we have to check if the key exists in the cache and get its values. Because we are implementing an LRU, if the key exists we have to remove the key from the current position. And then we have to add it back to the end. So we say keys.append key. So the only thing that's missing is return the value if you found it, or if we didn't found it we have to return the -1. Perfect. So let's jump right into the put function. So this function inserts or updates key value pairs. So in the first part we check if the key already exists or if the cache is full. And then we say basically to remove the least recently used key. So basically this is the first key in the array. So we say let oldest keys.remove first. Also to keep everything consistent we need to remove the value from the cache dictionaries. Then of course we have to add or update the value of the given key in the dictionary. So we say cache key equals value. Afterwards we have to check if the key already exists. So if it's a duplicate, that is basically the same check as we do in the get function. And last but not least we have to add the key to the end of the array to mark it as most recently used. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something about LRU caches. All of the code is down in the GitHub below. See you next time. Howdy.